Hi you guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's Creativity. I want you to go ahead and hit subscribe, and don't forget to like my video. I appreciate it. Okay, so let's cook. Let's do it. Enchiladas. Okay, enchilada pie. You need an onion, a green onion, and some cilantro. You need your red diced tomatoes. You're going to also need some refried beans. You're going to need some sliced olives, some enchilada sauce, and you're going to also need some tortilla shells. Okay, it doesn't matter if they're yellow or white. You're going to need a pan of your choice. Okay, any size pan that you like. You're going to need your cheese, any style, any blend you like, taco seasoning, salsa verde. Go ahead and chop up your green onions. Okay, now you can slice and dice and chop your veggies any size you prefer them. It's okay. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm just slicing them up. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and slice the other side of the green onion. So like I said, it's your choice how you want to slice them. I'm going to get my cilantro and I'm going to get ready and slice them, give them a little twist, and begin to just go ahead and chop. So that's all I'm doing there. And I'm going to go ahead and slice my onion up. Okay, now like I said, it's your choice how you want to slice and dice yours up. That's all I'm doing so I can get it ready for my cast iron skillet. So I think that's a good size there. Now I'm just going to dump my onions inside of the black cast iron skillet. Okay, go ahead and toss in my ground turkey. Start seasoning up with some seasoning salt, some black pepper, some onion powder. Okay, and let's go ahead and pour our enchilada sauce inside of the Pyrex, or maybe a cup, so you will have less splatter, less mess. Okay, because it can get messy. So where I'm going to go back and dump in my refried beans, I'm going to put some oil down in my pan so that I can lay my taco shells. Okay, now you can arrange your taco shells any way you like. I just go ahead and do it like this so that I can get that circle to fit a square, which is impossible, but hey. So then I'm going to get the cheese and set it to the side so that it would be easy access for me to just go ahead and grab, as well as my tomatoes. Sit those to the side too. This is what my pan is starting to look like. I'm going to layer up with some cheese, add the tomatoes, go ahead and put in some enchilada sauce. Okay, and that's what it looks like there. Okay, now I'm going to add in more taco shells. Okay, more meat, more enchilada sauce, and more cheese. Use as much cheese as you like. Okay, yes, add those tomatoes in there. Okay, put some black olives. Yes, we're just layering this baby up. Okay, my mouth is watering right now. Okay, more enchilada sauce and shells. Okay, I'm going to add in some more cheese. Okay, the bigger your pan is, the more you're able to fit inside of the pan. Okay, the bigger your enchilada pie will be. More tomatoes. Okay, and it goes on and on and on. Okay, so that's what I'm doing there. Add some more black olives. And I'm going to top it off with cilantro. Okay, and green onions. And then I'm going to pour on the green salsa verde by Hebez. Okay, that's my favorite. I love that salsa verde, that brand to be exact. Drizzle it on, add it in the corners. It's all good. Use as much as you like. Okay, so that's what I'm doing there. And Whew, it is so good, you guys. You have to try it. Leave me a comment and let me know that you're gonna try it. Putting my finishing touches on this one. Okay, now I'm getting ready for the second one. Oil tortilla shells. Put some more enchilada sauce, layering, okay, cheese, meat, refried beans. How can you go wrong? Quick and easy and simple. Put some more taco shells down, okay. Yes, add some more enchilada sauce, okay. Drizzle on some more tomatoes. Put some cilantro and green onions in, okay, and more meat. Put some tortilla shells down, and I think we're about to wrap this one up, okay? Now, when it comes to baking, you're going to bake it at 350 through 360, okay? For about 25-30 minutes, okay? No more than 30 minutes, okay? Go ahead, wrap it up, put that baby in. Trust me, your family will thank you for it, okay? So it's all good. Oh, look at that cheese. Thanks, you guys. I want to say thank you so much. Go ahead and like my video. Leave me a comment. It's all good. I hope wherever you are in the land, I hope that you're feeling fancy and free and you're doing the things that you love to do. Okay, meet me back here again. Peace, you guys.